On the occasion of National Press Day, Chief Minister appeals to media to help in clearing misunderstandings between different communities. JAC against the killing of Mohammad Hasmat Ali calls off 48-hour general strike following positive response from the authorities. In a sigh of relief for commuters of Imphal East, newly built Sanjay Thong Bridge will be inaugurated on 18th of November. And election fever heats up. Congress and BJP trying to woo voters as by-election date draws closer. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshram Sangeeta with all the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today appealed to the state media to help in clearing misunderstandings among various communities and to take up corrective measures to bring a peaceful society. Chief Minister made this statement on the occasion of National Press Day held at Manipur Press Club. The day was organized by Department of Information and Public Relations. As part of the observance, Manipur State Journalist Award 2015 was also distributed to the 8 journalists under different categories. As part of the function, a workshop on the impact and import of cartooning and caricature as a medium of expression of opinion was held.
Tongan Kanglup Dharma Sanabi Laiba Manipur State Asidadi Media Taudang si Amuki Haina Sauribani Laipaki Apunba Saktam Nanaba Honabada Natana Manipurgi Mediana Lauriba Taudang Taganingaini Taudangasi Amukasu Hena Magulaina Lorkani Sakot Tarangi Lamda innovative Amadi creative Oiba Miyamda Kanagadaba Lausinkaya Pongdokpa success stories Singi Paudam Sing Ningchingna coverage Taubiduna Praja Miyamda Kanabakaya Pigani Haibasi Ikona Tarzay.
Best Editor Award winner on National Integration and Communal Harmony, Khoirom Loyalakpa, editor of Naharolgi Thogdang, Delhi, appealed to the state journalist to follow the ethics of a journalist. This is the second time Loyalakpa has won the award. Best Parliamentary Reporting winner, Sonia Solengsangbam of Ponapam Daily, told Impact News that delivering good performance and credible source is a key to survive in the field of journalism. Sonia has earlier won 2 state awards in different categories. Best Sports Journalist Award winner, Wangkem Rishikesh of Huan Lanpao Daily, told Impact News that Manipur being a sports-loving state, it is necessary for a sports journalist to know in depth about every sports discipline.
Appeal to Janibadi officers in Matunda, ministers in Matunda, Halkan Queen in Adana, I could teaching boo yam the compromise to begin the clear Namalaishi, much Matatopochime, any program Amachapamatam del Palising Mani from Honaba, Chatpagi Matamdoji, Kajikaji, Tastor Pramale Aduna, professional ethics, Mangapagi Pimam Laposi. Isada Nuaitaba Piltaway, press council of Indiana Piba Magi, guideline to Nitina, Chapiradi, a public journalist,
अकोई नुपी ने हाइबगी रेस्ट्रिक्शन अमा खक्ति लेरंबा या आइगी फैमिली और आइगी कनो खरा अकोइबा खरादा बट मधु आइगी प्रोफेशन सिददी मधु बाउंड तौरुतुना थंबा यादे अकोइगी फार्म दिना पामीबा पोती मागी सोर्स मागी अफाबा रिपोर्टिंग दुनि मानी नुपी ने मागी पाउदो हाते यापोंदे फद फजरगदी मरम मधुना अफाबा रिपोर्टिंग अफाबा सोर्स में आमा योखत पिरकांदा हौगललिबा नुपी में आमसु journalism की लाइन सिदा अदुम खोंगदा बिरंगना बाइना अपील तौजरी
स्पोर्ट्स की जर्नलिस्ट हाइबा अखुगी लम मसी यामना पाक चावा अदुगा इवेंट खुदिंगमा की खंगबदा नतना अखोय इवेंट सिंगदुगी अखोयगी मोयगी सिजनरीबा लोंडा मा कमाय होटकनी पॉइंट कमाय होटकनी अदुगुंबा मयाम याम कुप्पा सिदे यामना थवाय हकचांग यावना अखोयगी स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट की लम सिदा चंगागदी अखोयगी यामना अफाबा अखोयगी लमदम सिगी स्पोर्ट्स चौखटपदा हेना अखोयना सरुक याबा ngamni हाइजनिंग
48-hour general strike call against the killing of Mohammad Hasmat Ali, also known as Babu, has been called off from 5 p.m. this evening today. Speaking to media at Public Hospital Hatta, spokesperson of the JAC, Haji Arafat Ali said the general strike was called off after SP Imphal East admitted that Hasmat Ali was not involved in cattle theft and the culprits involved in the killing of Hasmat Ali are in police custody. The last rites of Hasmat Ali will be held after his body is brought from the morgue with a procession. Meanwhile, in the morning, the bund affected life along Imphal-Ngarian Road.
48 hours ki ban asi numidawaram pung manga dagi call off tawre organizer sing da thajarakpa thajaba pirakpa SP na amadi JC gi mute sing da mihat pa aseng ba khangalakpa gi damakta su koina masigi ban asi miyam gi amadi manipur praja gi amadi satra sing gi yenga interest da ban asi kom thore jenna ba miyo sing police custody da leire prime accused ona leiriba MD amu haiba miyo sina loktu naraga Nandaibam Lekai gi miyo sing khara chen halambani haibasu khangle.
The newly constructed Sanjinthong Bridge will be inaugurated day after tomorrow, that is on the 18th of November. Speaking to Impact News, Public Works Department, Government of Manipur, Bridge Division Assistant Engineer Irom Irabot informed that minor works like painting and electric fitting are to be completed. Irom Irabot said many laborers are working day and night so that people of the state can use the bridge during the Manipur Sangai festival. He informed Impact News that Manipur Fire Service vehicles are being used to paint the iron frames. Impact News today found that welding works of the railings were in progress. Median frame for the 4-lane bridge is complete. However, the black topping for the approach road is yet to be finished as the soil is still wet.
Thong sigi oina di almost akhoi loire adau se khona wali ba se hoju hoju uri ba dalai ri ba rang khara khona hoju hoju tori ba se akhoi ke target singa si loi bani hoji heavy de ni jitna loi na khoi sin da loi kai ta heavy gi problem leite thong se de khoi di yot ki ngak ta ni hana mayam uri ba dunga ma se de khoi tonga na hai arak si machet khai ta ni yam yaw de na pulop still ngak ta ni no ko da so ka khoi da hoi di shona kari tamake he du de khoi hai ngam dre adu ga
On the other hand, renovation work of Kangla Part is far from over. As of now, work is in full swing to dig Kangla Part up to 6 feet deep using JCBs. The retaining wall at Kangla Part is finished, with just the retaining wall at Indo-Myanmar roadside yet to be finished. Pillars for the retaining wall is still to be constructed. A contractor working at the site said railings for Kangla Part will be modelled using old British model, which might delay in the completion of the work. Manipur People's Party today questioned whether Kangla Fort Board is trying to convert Kangla into a store for power department. Speaking to media persons at MPP office, party president N. Sobhakiran said keeping electric poles, transformers, high tension wires of the power department inside the Kangla with the permission from the chief minister, who is also the chairman of the board, is quite unfortunate. Kangla will soon become a warehouse if other departments also started to store their goods in Kangla. Sobhakiran insisted that it is the right time to defeat such an insincere Congress government in the upcoming by-election.
Ibobina Kangla gi suyam na maru or Kangla si makoi electricity ki power department ki store on torok se Manipur People's Party na yam na condemn tawi Manipur jati da humiliate tawani ikai ba pibani embarrass tawani khoida punamak si Khangbiraga yamna thuna mafam sida hongtopiko nattaba tardi atop department sing PWD department, agriculture department, IFCT department, kodamana technical department, engineering department sing sida lairiba sing na ju aikhoi ju store on thokane na changsil adi aikoi na luna lojeriba Kangla se suksoi choidana mut khragani.
As part of security measures taken up ahead of the Manipur Sangai Festival, Imphal West District Police today conducted a cordon and search operation at Yaskul Janmasthan and its adjoining areas. The operation was conducted under the supervision of DSP Commando Operation Netrajit. Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur in a press release informs that Nupilal Memorial flags will be sold from 1st December till the 10th of December. On the 12th December, candlelight vigil will be held at Nupilal Memorial Complex. As the by-elections for Thongju and Thamban is drawing nearer, war of words between BJP and Congress is heating up day by day. Both the parties are trying to woo voters as few days are left for the election. Flag hoisting ceremony of both the candidates of Congress and BJP of Thongju Assembly constituency were held today at the residences of the candidates. Speaking on the flag hoisting ceremony of BJP candidate T.S. Bishojit, BJP executive member and veteran politician Okram Joy blamed Congress for the problems and sufferings faced by the people. He said it is due to more than 10 years of Congress rule that has destroyed the state. Responding to Congress remarks on the disqualification of MLAs, Okram Joy attacked Congress, saying that both Gaikangam and Phunzathang Tonsing were disqualified when Bor Babu was the speaker. He claimed that Gaikangam did not mince any word afterwards. BJP exposed him on the Naga integration issue. He further alleged that the trend of selling land and other properties for getting a job is the product of the Okram Ibobi Singh-led Congress government.
Congress na mayam sidai thana lobugi wari, kerani lobugi wari, tika pibugi wari, amot akai mayam gi wari mayam sari se, masigi mabud hongse kananu Congress na. BJP na sason pairaga Manipur kain hariwa Gaikangam sele. Manipur babam da mahapu namdana soiton givne do. Ay ngasi su sele dauri nati. Hotel lamadani laloba mayam chak chami narga tauba soini. Pung tara gina pung ahum bawda meeting targa chak chami nar tauba mipam ne.
Former Cabinet Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, today appealed to public to vote for the BJP candidate. Himanta Biswa Sarma, who recently shifted loyalty from Congress to BJP, said he began his political career from Congress party. He said he knew very well how the Congress views and looks after the northeastern states. He said Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi failed to take any initiative, even if he had approached him regarding bottleneck of developmental works in the region. T.H. Biswajit said he could continue as an MLA after fighting in the court, but he would like to return as an MLA after fighting an election. He said his disqualification has ashamed the people of his constituency.
तो हमने राहुल जी को क्वेश्चन पूछा कि राहुल जी आप तो बड़ा बड़ा दावा करता है, आप इतना रुपया देता है, लेकिन हमारा वहाँ में काम क्यों नहीं होता है? तब उन्होंने बोला कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछने का जरूरत नहीं है, आप जो काम कर रहे हैं वो काम आप करिए, बाकी जो होगा हम लोग देखेगा। तब राहुल जी को मैंने बोला कि राहुल जी आपने मुझको मंत्री बनाया, ये हमारा रिजिग्नेशन है, त्याग पत्र है, आपको अभी पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट से ही हम लोग कांग्रेस को भगाएगा और कांग्रेस को हम लोग रहने नहीं देगा।
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam today termed BJP as an association of the defeated. Speaking in connection with the flag hoisting ceremony of Bijoy Koijam for the by-election of Thongju Assembly constituency, today at his Faizal-e-Tong residence, Gaikangam further said the by-election became imminent as former MLA Biswajit did not know how to be an MLA and did unscrupulous things. He alleged that former MLA has undermined people of Thongju Assembly constituency as he failed to serve for full 5-year term and termed it as very unfortunate. Those who spoke on the ceremony said if BJP wins the by-election, BJP cannot do anything for the people of Thongju Assembly constituency. They also urged to vote for Congress, saying Congress always stood for the territorial integrity of Manipur.
Disqualified to Madam Chadra, disqualified to Bodo, Chumde, Lali, Madungi, Speaker Borobabu Saito, who is the BJP now sing leader, Wadi, Maduna, Lan, disqualified to Wadi, Yaro Hydra, mark decision, court challenge the winner, court the mark decision, Lale Hydra, set aside or MLA Amo in Halena.
Describing how the by-election became necessary, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi said infighting and conflict between Trinamool MLA Joy Kishan and Trinamool President MLA Shyam Kumar is responsible. Congress has nothing to do with the disqualification of the MLAs. He said even if there is a BJP government at the centre, they cannot withhold state share of money. He assured that if Bijoy Koijam wins the by-election, he will serve the Assembly constituency with full dedication to make it a meaningful Assembly constituency. Developmental works will be taken up in the remaining 1 year and 2 months. He also lauded the works taken up by Bijoy Koijam when he was the MLA of Thongju.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯨꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯕ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯕ ꯌꯦꯁ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯕꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯨꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ अमुकसु थबक सुननब मतम वर्किंग सीजन हाइब तारे नोंग याम ताबा मणिपुर से अदुगुंब खर नतना गवर्नमेंट सिना यारिमखै मतम चाना लोचनब तौजबनी.
Last evening, BJP Mandal Thongju organized a one-day political conference at Basikhong Panthoibi ground. Senior BJP executive member and veteran politician Okram Joy, BJP candidate for Thongju by-election TH Bishajit, among others, attended the conference. Addressing the conference, Okram Joy demanded for an open debate with the Congress party on various issues facing the state. Reacting sharply against the allegation made by Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam that the BJP party will disintegrate Manipur, Okram Joy said it was the Congress party leader Jawaharlal Nehru who gave Kabau Valley to Myanmar, and Congress MP from Outer Manipur, Thangso Baite, suggested for the division of Manipur into 2 states. Okram Joy also mocked the Congress party that if BJP is an old-age home for aged politicians, then the Congress is an old-age married party.
BJP is an old-age home. Congress is the old-age married home. Mantri Hanuvazu Hongi Moidi. Platform the Torangana said democracy. Congress party is me and a car young Lumba party went on. Assembly is the Mika Pamigaba. Congress ML and Futare. Manga to Karai Dino. Assembly is a quick and raw. Maternity what law. MLS of Popom law. Platform the Congress Sele. Platform the Congress Maitire. Tongyugi election the Bishorji election BJP in a campaign over the platform the Congress Maitire. Platform the Congress Sele.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh has maintained that people will have trust and confidence in the law, courts and judiciary only when justice is delivered in a short period of time. Speaking as a chief guest on the Silver Jubilee celebration of High Court Bar Association of Manipur at the Auditorium Manipur High Court today, he said lawyers and legal fraternity of the state have a big role and responsibility to play for the society to have high respect and regard to the judicial institution. He also stressed the need for providing just and speedy justice to the victim's family. For this, lawyers need to make the public well aware about their skills, knowledge and talents. The real meaning of democracy will be there only when 4 pillars of democracy, that is, legislature, judiciary, executive and media are strong. As part of the Silver Jubilee celebration, a souvenir was also released by the Chief Minister. Floral tributes were also paid to the departed lawyers. Education Minister M. Okendro and top legal luminaries including Advocate General T.H. Ibohal, Justice Nobin, Justice N. Koteshwar took part in the occasion.
IAS kamde, IPS kamde, laiba mayam singse, masigi institution se, or any other subordinate district level ki institution mayam singse, masi hekla lappa kana, oh here is one temple, moi thak thak ni angada base, kana ki khutal laire hai base, learned lawyers singse le. High Court Bar Association ga All Manipur Bar Association ga ani si kunba yabra yadabra hai base, ai tase ga jai mating pangba. Maybe from the government के एक सेक्टर तक ये भी आए और आएगी तमाम discretionary फंडे आए.
The Heritage Handicraft and Handloom Hub was inaugurated today at Sangai Pro. Former Minister Dr. Moirangthem Nara Singh, Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore Singh, Consultant Government of Manipur Dr. R. Kinimai Singh, among others, attended the inauguration function organized by the Heritage Foundation of Mankind. Speaking on the occasion, former Minister Dr. Moirangthem Nara said, culture is an important aspect of the development of a society. Bandh called by Kuki Students Organization on Imphal Mori Road against the shifting of examination center for Diploma in Elementary Education of IGNOU from Technopole completed 3 days. The bandh has affected the border trade at Mori. President KSO Technopole Block Daniel Mate said the bandh will continue as there is no positive response so far from the authority concerned.
Regional Director IGNOU na akoi Technopole Block ki riba Diploma in Elementary Education Examination Center si mai mana mafam cha da bi da lamning da hongdok pi bagi sida akoi supen pende akoi education si namin homni sure adu fuji khau su government response laite concern tawal su laite adu nana akoi su akoi na tori ba demand si fuji khau de akoi ge dum chathagani.
For the first time in the history of the Employees Provident Fund Organization, B. Lal Zamang from Manipur has been posted as the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, which will look after all the 7 northeastern states with headquarters at Guwahati. Owner of Khumanthem Noren Singh Brickfield, Wangjing K.H. Noren, has clarified that he did not insist the police for the arrest of 3 persons in connection with the loss of 23 lakh rupees from his house. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, he said the money was stolen from his house on the 4th of November. He has reported about the incident to Thobal police station on the same day. After 2 days, police picked up 2 persons from his neighborhood and the owner of a pan dukan who runs his shop in his home complex for interrogation by the Thobal police on suspicion.
Thawaan PS the report lam bijabani report si biro matungda mokoina police team laktana thijen question na khari yengjen bi nongan ba daju forensic kanghu su laktana adum yengjen bi bani phari basing je aina khoto mi thillaga phan bani haiba gumba adi aina taksel pha bani haiba gumba masi gumba je tawbase aingonda hana paisa mangdana wakhan nungaitana phibam sokna leiringe sida asumaina haijen birakba asumba propaganda mayam tawbirakba je masi ai khitang nungaitadana ai asumba je ai khangan janing bani ai aina nati haiba du matang.
Lifesavers Manipur, in association with Langol View Charitable Clinic and Maternity Home, Brimstow, today organized a blood donation camp at RIMS Hospital. Around 52 persons donated blood at the camp. Now some sports news. Sub-junior girls event were held today in the ongoing 18 sub-junior, 19 junior and 20th senior state-level weightlifting championship. In the 53 kg category, sub-junior girls, S. Bindiarani of Sai Imphal won the gold, NSA player P. Rani Bala won silver, while KIMYC player M. Neelam won the bronze medal. In the 58 kg sub-junior girls, ACWA unit player Kesh Nositon bagged the gold. KYA and company unit player Kesh Nirmala won the silver, and NGKSA unit player O. Shaila won the bronze medal. In the 63 kg sub-junior girls event, KIMYC unit player S. Babina won gold, Sai Utlaw unit player P. Umeshwari won the silver, and ILC unit player KH Naubi won the bronze medal. The championship is organized by KLYDC Wangoi Mamang Khaidam Lekai under the aegis of Manipur Weightlifting Association. 50 male weightlifters and 70 female weightlifters are competing in the championship, which kicked off yesterday. In the ongoing Nahapam Apabi Memorial Junior Football League, CSC Chanong won the match, while match between YBC Langdum and IYDO Ningthau Nai ended in a goal-less draw. In the first league match played today at Khoman Social Worker Congress Ground, CSC Chanong player Gaumang and Gaulen scored 2 goals each, while Abung scored a goal to defeat KMSA Kaibi by 5-0. In the second league match, YBC Langdum and IYDO Ningthau Nai could not open account in the given time. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association, where 20 teams are competing with each other. Model Club Chingamkha will organize the first women and second men late Khaidim Kalachan Singh Memorial Basketball Championship from the 18th December. Teams which would like to take part in the championship may contact the executive member of the club. Names of the polo players of England team which will take part in the 9th Manipur Polo International 2015 as part of the Sangai Festival has been announced. The names of England players are Dave Allen, Mickey Howie, Marcus Hancock and Jack Aldrich. Chris Atkinson is the new coach of the team. The tournament will be held from 22nd November till the 29th of November. Names of the players of Australia and United States have already been announced. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. On the occasion of National Press Day, Chief Minister appeals to media to help in clearing misunderstandings between different communities. JAC against the killing of Mohammad Hasmat Ali calls off 48-hour general strike following positive response from the authorities. In a sigh of relief for commuters of Imphal East, newly built Sanjanthong Bridge will be inaugurated on 18th of November. And election fever heats up. Congress and BJP trying to woo voters as by-election dates draws closer.